Hi guys, in this video, I'll show you how to download Brave browser on your MacBook. If you want a faster browser with built-in ad blocking, this is one of the easiest ones to set up. So first, open Safari or any browser that you prefer. Search for Brave browser and open the official website. Make sure that you're downloading it from the real Brave website. Click the Get Brave button. If you're using Safari, a pop-up may appear asking if you want to allow downloads from Brave. Just click Allow. Wait for the file to finish downloading. Then click the download icon at the top right of your browser. Open the bravebrowser.tmg file. A Brave installer window will appear. Drag the Brave icon into your Applications folder. This installs Brave onto your MacBook. Now open Finder. Go to your Applications folder and open Brave browser. Then if a warning pops up, just click Open. And that's it. Brave is now installed and ready to use. You can now log in into your accounts and start browsing. You can also drag Brave into your dock so it's easier to open anytime you want to use it. Also, don't forget to drag the Brave installer into the trash since you won't be needing it anymore. And that's how to download Brave browser on your MacBook. Super quick and easy to set up. If this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.